Rule number 6, logarithm to index notation. This will simply help us to convert a logarithm form to an index form. Suppose you have log of a base b equals to x. This, from logarithm to index notation, is the same as b to power x equals to a. For example, log of 25 base 5 equals to 25 is the same as 5 squared. Log of 5 squared to base 5. From power rule, 2 becomes the coefficient of this logarithm, and this will become 2 log of 5 base 5. And from identity law, log of 5 base 5 equals to 1. This will equal to 2 into 1, which equals to 2. This implies that log of 25 base 5 equals to a 2. And this from logarithm to index notation will become 5 to power 2 equals to 25, which makes sense mathematically.